Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. The best German chainsaw gasoline reviews. The 88 cubic centimeters German chainsaw delivers high power for logging, icebreaking, and professional arborist work. Built for durability, it ensures smooth, efficient cutting through tough wood. Ideal for household or outdoor use, this versatile machine combines performance and reliability, making demanding cutting tasks easier and faster. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.